Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Monday, the 5th of January 2026. So we'll start here with a synoptic looking at lunchtime yesterday, and we had kind of a ridge of high pressure starting to come in from the west, but weather still dominated really by the low pressures out in the east, driving this north-northwesterly airflow down across the country. It was a cold, bright day yesterday, very pleasant, and lots of good flying was had. But if we take this through midnight last night, you can see there's a bit of a weak front moving down the country. And by lunchtime today, you can see that's passed through and into sort of northern France. That brought with it a light dusting of snow last night. It's less than a centimetre. It's nothing really to worry about. And we should end up with another nice, clear but cold day again today with northwesterly airflow. If we take that through midnight tonight and into lunchtime tomorrow, there's now an Azores high starting to push in, ridging up over France and into the UK, and that's going to start to affect the weather from the southwest. SatPic shows still a fair few snow showers coming down the east coast. And it shows also the stuff that went through last night on that sort of cold, was a weak cold front or occlusion that brought this light dusting of snow. And there's a few more showers coming down the west side, but the central UK is going to be quite clear today. By the looks of that, you can see some of those snow showers that came through. Just dissipating to the south there as you meet the channel. And it's, again, there's down the east coast, down the west coast, but not down the middle of the UK. And if we run the forecast through from 8 o'clock this morning, that concurs with what the radar picture shows for pretty much most of the day. East Anglia may see a few showers coming in towards the afternoon, bringing a bit of snow there, but that's not going to affect us. Let's have a look at Odium then. We'll just refresh that, and they've now got a TAF valid, and they're forecasting 310 degrees, 6 knots, Cavo K, 30% chance that between 2 o'clock and 9 o'clock tonight, scattered at 2,000 feet. I've got that wind surprise Norton. They're forecasting 330 degrees, 4 knots, greater than 10k viz, few at 3,000 feet. The 30% chance that between 2 o'clock and midnight, scattered at 2,200 feet. Spot winds to the north of us, 1,000-foot wind, 330, 20 degrees. To the south of us, 1,000-foot wind, 020, 20 degrees. Windy is showing a sort of north-northwesterly airflow across the country at 9 o'clock this morning, and that's pretty much going to be the same by about 5 o'clock this afternoon. Quite light winds. And the local Met Office forecast concur with that, 7 to 8 knots in the sort of strongest part of the day, with gusting into the sort of mid to high teens. It is going to be sunshine throughout the day, nice clear blue skies. So even though the sun's going to be there, it's going to feel quite cold. They're looking at wind chill factor down to about -3, maybe even colder at the start of the day. Temperature-wise from GFS, lunchtime today, they're looking at about 1 degree centigrade, with the dew point down around about -5. Currently here we have -2, with the dew point at -4. And looking at the camera on the south side, we'll just refresh that. Just see the daylight arriving. You can see clear blue skies, and there's virtually no wind with a bit light dusting of snow on the airfield. Sky sight, I suggest a bit low cloud to start with, but by the time we get out there, that should be gone. And clear throughout the day, right through till the hours of darkness. And top meteo concurs with that. If we run that 3 hour on hour from 9 o'clock through to about 5 o'clock, there's absolutely no cloud in this area at all. No TAMs, nothing to affect us close to Lasham. So let's move on to the airfield briefing, and we will start with the usual cloud of bookings. So there's one K21 on book flying today. There's a K21 on the casual list. There's 3 people on the casual list at the moment. A couple of want check flights. There's a K13 on trial lessons. There's single seater availability, and of course the simulator is available as per normal. Movements today is scheduled at 4 minutes past 9. There's a 737 arriving. I think that might be delayed due to the snow on the runway. And then to be confirmed, there's the 727, which is Romeo Bravo. It's going to depart for a maintenance check flight. It'll be gone for about an hour. But as I say, that's yet to be confirmed. So the general situation today is that there's low pressure around the region. There's cold northwesterly winds. There's snow on the ground, so it will be slippy. Just take care when you're walking and driving. We'll be on runway 27 with winter option force. Cables on the north side today. Please be ready when the cable or tug arrives, and please do not land or taxi on the disused runways. And also, please clean the gliders when putting them away, but bear in mind that with the cold temperatures, okay, just use a minimal amount of water just to get any mud off the bottom of them, and that's all that needs to be done. So here's the setup today. Cables on the north side, winching from the northern half of the tarmac, air towing from the southern half of the tarmac, left-hand and right-hand circuits to land on the grass, and the wind from the north-northwest. That's it from me today. Have a great day's flying. Enjoy yourself. Please keep it safe.